can learn all about fantastic space. With the help of my assistant, Holly, and my handy little gadget, you will be watching the best space show in the world. Hello. Here is a picture of the solar system. Here we are on Earth. And here is Saturn. Saturn is 9 times bigger than Earth, with the most extraordinary ring system. Saturn is the second biggest planet in the solar system, and is the 6th planet from the Sun. Just like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant. This means it contains lots of hydrogen, and the atmosphere contains helium, which is a light gas, just like Holly's balloon. It floats in the air because it is lighter than air. You can make one of these at home by using a rubber ball and a cereal packet. If you were to place Saturn in the ocean, it would float because of its light weight. Let me demonstrate. This is our ocean, and this is our Saturn. I'll take the rings off so it can fit into the bowl. See, it floats. Not only is Saturn very light, but it has very high winds. If you were to land on Saturn, you would have to have a very warm clothing because of a scarf and a hat, just like Holly is modelling. Because of the high winds that can reach up to 1,500 miles per hour. Let's go and see what it would be like. Oh, obviously it would be a little bit windier than this. The most fascinating thing about Saturn is its fascinating ring system. The rings are made out of tiny bits of ice and rock, as I am showing you here. These rings are about 1 kilometre thick, kept in place by the gravity of 2 small moons which orbit Saturn. These are called shepherd moons. No, not that sort of shepherd, Holly. This is Saturn's ring. This picture is Saturn's rings. This picture was taken by a space probe called Voyager 2. Beautiful, isn't it? Saturn spins very quickly. This means each day is only 10 hours long. This means you have to go to bed early. Night-night, Holly. Up to bed. So, where can we see Saturn? Saturn is the furthest planet we can see with a naked eye. Saturn is at its brightest at this time of year. From the 28th of January, Saturn is in the star cluster of Cancer, the crab. You can see it even better if you were looking south with a telescope. So viewers, I hope you've learnt a lot about Saturn tonight. It is my personal next week we'll be learning about Venus. So keep watching next week. We've got loads coming up for you. So it's good night from me and good night from her. Good night. Here I have a model of Saturn. You can make one of these at home using a rubber ball and a cereal packet. Here I have a rubber ball. This is a model of Saturn. You can make one of these at home by using a rubber ball and a cereal packet. If you were to place Saturn in the ocean, it would float because of its light weight. Let me demonstrate. This is our ocean, and this is our Saturn. Let's see what happens. So, where can we see Saturn? Saturn is Oh, I hope you've learnt a lot about Saturn tonight.